Hello everyone, and welcome to our daily news channel, Weather Today, about climate disasters and climate change.
The information in this video shows the incident on Friday, November 29th, 2024, in Pennsylvania, United States.
Winter has arrived with a bang, and a powerful Arctic blast is gripping the United States, bringing heavy snowfall, freezing temperatures, and widespread disruptions. From the Great Lakes to the southern states, millions of Americans are feeling the chilling impact of this severe weather event. But what's causing all this chaos, and how is it affecting daily life, travel, and holiday plans? Stick around as we dive into the details of this extreme winter storm that's making headlines across the nation. A blast of Arctic air taking over much of the US this weekend is bringing powerful lake-effect snow to several states, including Pennsylvania and New York, and shivering temperatures to parts of the South. Winter alerts, including lake-effect snow warnings, have been posted for parts of Wisconsin, Michigan, Ohio, Pennsylvania, and New York State for this weekend, with some in effect through Monday evening. As cold air passes over the relatively warm water of the Great Lakes, significant lake-effect snow bands are expected to blanket several communities with snowfall. Overall, the cold air mass is bringing below freezing temperatures as far south as the Florida panhandle, and more than 13 million people across 9 states in the south are under freeze alerts. The highest snow totals this weekend are expected around Watertown, New York, where 3 to 5 feet of snow is in the forecast. The narrow and intense bands of snow can deliver localized whiteout conditions, making travel nearly impossible. A second band of heavy snow is expected to stay mainly south of Buffalo, with the area around Dunkirk, New York, looking at more than 3 feet of snow this weekend. In Erie County, New York, which includes Buffalo, officials are urging caution. This is going to be a serious storm, especially in the southern parts of Erie County. Erie County Executive Mark Poloncarz said during a news conference Friday, "If you don't have to drive, stay home. It's not worth the risk." Driving could be hazardous, according to Poloncarz. "We're talking about whiteout conditions where you can't see anything while driving," he said. "It's going to be very dangerous. Some roads are already closed, including part of Interstate 90 near the Pennsylvania border. The Buffalo Bills play Sunday night, but fans will have to deal with a lot of snow." The county says there could be 20 to 30 inches of snow at the stadium before the game starts. The team is ready to clear the snow, but it will still be hard to get to the game. "It's going to be cold too," Poloncarz said. "Fans should bundle up and be ready for wind chills in the teens." Poloncarz added, "Western New Yorkers know how to handle snow. We'll get through this if we're careful." The Great Lakes buried under snow. Let's start with the northern states, where the Great Lakes region is experiencing one of the most intense lake-effect snow events in recent years. So, what exactly is lake-effect snow? It happens when icy air flows over the relatively warmer waters of the Great Lakes. This creates narrow, intense snow bands that can dump massive amounts of snow in a short time.
Okay.
In Watertown, New York, snowfall totals have reached a staggering 5 feet. Yes, you heard that right, 5 feet of snow. The snowfall rate is so intense, up to 4 inches per hour, that it's creating dangerous whiteout conditions. Imagine not being able to see more than a few feet in front of you. Travel is nearly impossible in these areas. Roads like Interstate 90, which connects Cleveland to Buffalo, are partially closed. And if you're planning to drive through this region, officials are urging you to think twice. It's simply too dangerous. How the storm is impacting everyday life. Snowstorms like this don't just bring inconvenience, they can disrupt everything. For instance, in Erie County, New York, which includes Buffalo, authorities are asking residents to stay home unless absolutely necessary. And let's talk sports. The Buffalo Bills are scheduled to play a big game this Sunday in Orchard Park. But here's the catch. Their stadium is buried under snow. By game time, it's expected that 20 to 30 inches of snow will have fallen. While teams are working to clear the field, fans heading to the game will face bitterly cold wind chills and treacherous roads. Bundle up, Bills fans, it's going to be an unforgettable game.
If you like our video, please click like. And don't forget to subscribe and activate the bell button to receive our new videos wherever you are. In the end, we hope everyone is safe and that no one gets hurt.